Good morning. I hope that you are having a good day. I just thought I would make a video for hiccups because I made one before and I didn't have them, so no one believed me that it would work. And I woke up with hiccups, and so I thought I'd make a video, and I did. So it was quite embarrassing because I'm just woken up. I had just woken up and no makeup, had my little PJs on. So yeah. So hopefully you like it. I'm sticking the footage in here. Okay guys, I just woke up with hiccups. So to prove that this works, listen, I have hiccups. Okay, watch. Oh, see? Okay. I'm going to do that again. It's pretty out here. Okay, let me see if it does it again. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do the water thing. Hold on. I gotta just set you down. Hold on. Okay, so I figured there's really no way to do this without my other hand. So I'm gonna put you over here. I don't know if you can see, but okay. I'm just gonna kind of go like that. I don't know if you can see me. Okay. That's one way. I do that twice. I need to plug my ears that time. Okay, and the best part. Let's see. These are on. Now I'm on. Told you it works. Okay, so I hope that you like that. And so what the pattern is you drink, you drink water. The first one is you plug your ears twice. You do that twice. Then you take another drink of water and you swallow, just putting your head up, so then it makes that weird noise in your throat. And you do that twice. You know, take another sip of water and do that again. Then, morning. It's probably like, what? It's in her hand. I had to wait that person. But anyway, so then the third part of the pattern is you drink 2 things of water, not things, but mouthfuls of water upside down. So you just put your head down, bent down, like I did in the video. And it really does work. And I have to have it something that works because they hurt so much. Okay, so clear, okay, go. And that's it. So hopefully you can use this because a lot of times people can't get rid of them. And I know that sometimes people can by just drinking water, but me, I'm special, I can't. So I devised that system a long time ago, and it works. So have a great day. I'm going to the Dollar Tree and Big Lots right now, so if I find anything cool, I'll let you know. Okay, bye.